Green screen. It seems very easy to set up the green screen and remove the background behind you. To be honest, it is, but if you don't pay attention to some crucial details, it can be a mess. When 12 years ago I started using the green screen to remove the background in videos and photos, I had lots of difficulties setting it up correctly. In my videos I appeared a little green, especially when I still had my hair. In this video, I want to share with you 3 common mistakes to avoid when you record a video with the green screen and how to fix them. In addition, I'll show you how to remove the green screen in post-production by using Final Cut Pro. Plus, at the end of this video, I want to suggest what to buy to create your green screen kit. Before sharing this content, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, I suggest you subscribe right now and turn the notification on to be notified every time I upload a new daily video. If you like this type of content, tap on the like button as well, and thank you. I want to introduce you to my green screen setup that I bought 8 years ago. I have a paper green screen plus 3 softboxes, 2 of them to illuminate the green screen evenly and adequately, and 1 light in front of me. Nothing more. Easy setup. At the same time, there are lots of different suggestions that I want to share with you. Let's start with the first mistake. Mistake number 1. Wrinkles on the green screen. This is a mistake I made multiple times and it made me mad, especially in the post-production editing process. If you use a soft cloth green screen, you need to pay attention to stretching it as much as you can in order to eliminate the wrinkles. Indeed, wrinkles create problems in the editing process by making it difficult to remove the green screen with only 1 click. There are 2 ways to fix this problem. Number 1, if you absolutely need a cloth green screen, use clips like these to stretch it as soon as possible. Normally, I wrap the cloth to the background support system in order to stretch it. I mean, say, the stands on the left and right side that support the green screen. And before using the cloth, I iron it out. Number 2. Buy a paper green screen like the one you're watching behind me. It is easy to use because you don't have to stretch anything and it is easier to remove the background in post-production. Obviously, it all depends on where you have to shoot your videos. In my case, since I record my videos at home, I prefer using the second solution. But if you have to shoot videos in different situations, the soft cloth green screen is perfect. Mistake number 2. Green screen not properly illuminated. Lights are extremely important. The green screen behind you needs to be illuminated evenly and adequately. For this reason, I use 2 softboxes as the ones you're watching right now. To be very honest, you don't have to use too much light to enlighten the green screen properly, otherwise you will burn your background and it is difficult to remove it in post-production. But I have 2 suggestions for you. The softboxes must be at 45 degrees in order to direct the light to the center of your green screen. And the second important tip regards how to position yourself to avoid the shadows. You must stay at the same level of the lateral lights or a little beyond. I think the slide you're watching right now explains the concept perfectly. Do not stay too close to the green screen, otherwise it will be difficult to remove it and a green color will appear on your hair, shoulders and face. At the same time, you absolutely need to light up your face and your body if necessary. It all depends on the frame of your shoot. A light in front of you is demanded. Another crucial tip is to set the light's color temperature in your camera. For instance, my softboxes emit light at 5500 Kelvin degrees and therefore I choose the same color temperature in my camera settings. Mistake number 3. Pay attention to what you are wearing. It sounds strange, but it is crucial at the same time. And I didn't make an important premise. To remove your background, you can indifferently use a green screen or a blue screen. If you are using the green screen, please Do not wear green clothes, otherwise they will be removed with your green screen. At the same time, if you buy a blue screen, do not wear blue clothes or blue objects. So make your choice. Now, let's switch to video tutorial mode, because I want to share with you how easy removing the background in the post-production settings is, especially if you have followed my previous advice. I'm using Final Cut Pro software because it's a fantastic tool for editing videos. Keep in mind that I use this software with its basic features because I'm not a professional video editor. You need to know that I did all the video editing process by myself, especially in the first 5 years of my career. Once you have imported your video in the timeline, you have just to choose the proper keying effect, the keyer, and drag and drop it to the video track. The magic happens instantly. Obviously, sometimes you need to adjust some settings in order to remove the green screen properly. But if you have followed my previous guidelines, the process is easier. One of the most important options is the math tools. To let you understand what happens, let's move the cursors of the 3 options available: shrink, expand, soften, erode. As you can see, it's easier to test the options available instead of describing them. There is another important option: fill holes. In this case, it's difficult to see where it works properly because the green screen has already been removed successfully. Fill holes option is used when you have some holes in your video and it seems to be challenging to remove part of the green screen. At the moment, I just want you to know this option is available. In combination with the keyer, I urge you to use the color correction filter. It's not so easy to use and there are different tutorials available to learn how to set the color correction up properly. Normally, I use the color correction to light up my face or increase the saturation level to avoid being white in face. These basic steps work like magic. Before changing parameters for the keyer and color correction, I suggest you import an image for your background in the timeline to check the results in real time based on the background itself. Consider the background I'm using right now. I want to defocus the background a little to direct the viewer's attention to my face. I use this Gaussian effect, quick and easy. Before ending this video, as I promised initially, I want to share with you the green screen kit available today. You can buy it, for example, on Amazon.com, and if you want the soft cloth green screen, this is the structure you need. To be honest, I suggest you buy this new portable green screen. I think it's the best solution if you want to bring the green screen with you in different locations or if you don't have too much space in your house. Regarding the lights, I suggest you buy this kit, very similar to what I'm using right now. Instead, if you want to invest more money, LED panels are great even because you can vary the temperature color of the lights. It means that you can warm up the color of your face, especially if you have clear skin, as I have. It's up to you. I really hope this video helped you understand how to use the green screen to create incredible videos correctly. But I have another important thing to ask you. Did you know that your video could be more compelling by using your voice properly? If you are interested in this topic, I urge you to watch this video, how to use your voice to be persuasive with anyone.